Good morning, everybody. Welcome to today's edition of the Bottomline. Here are the top headlines. Government's charter flight approval gives new hope to Goa tourism industry. Malaysia eases travel curbs as 90% adults fully jabbed. Gujarat inbound tourism gains from travel upsurge. President Joe Biden to restore protections for 3 national monuments in the US. Vietnam announced opening plans. Air travel demand up in festive season. Fares soar on weekends. The Union Ministry of Home Affairs has announced to grant fresh visas to overseas tourists visiting India via chartered flights starting October 15th. The announcement has brought a sense of relief to the Goa tourism industry, which has been struggling since the pandemic hit. Malaysia, President of Travel and Tourism Association of Goa, said, "The mood is quite upbeat in the industry. It's a welcome decision by the government that will help the revival of the smaller hotels in Goa that depend on chartered flights for business. Goa gets an equal number of international guests but regular scheduled flights as well. Both combined together, we see a revival of the sector and the ecosystem sooner than later." Malaysia has fully vaccinated 90% of its adult population, enabling the government to lift interstate and international travel restrictions that have been in place for months. Prime Minister Ismail Sabri Yaqub said fully vaccinated Malaysians will be allowed to cross state borders from October 11th. Not only that, the requirement to apply for the My Travel Pass scheme to travel overseas has also been dropped for fully vaccinated citizens. With more people getting fully vaccinated, the number of COVID-19 cases remaining capped, and consumer sentiment optimistic, tourism within Gujarat is set to gain this festive season. Manish Sharma, Chairman, Travel Agents Federation of India, Gujarat, said, "As a travel company, we usually book a maximum of outbound holidays, both international and domestic. However, there has been a paradigm shift in the travel pattern and preferences of people over the past 2 years since the pandemic. More people are traveling within Gujarat to short-haul destinations at a drivable distance. They don't want to take chances amidst the uncertain COVID-19 scenario, with guidelines varying from state to state." That's all we have for you in today's edition of The Bottom Line. Stay tuned for more such travel industry updates. Have a great day.